Thank you for all of the YouTube gardeners who've inspired me to start a food forest. I want to say thank you. Thank you so much, and continue to create your videos so that I can look and see them and be inspired to create my food forest in my garden. Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. Well, I'm here with my Asian pear tree. I was able to pick it up at the florist shop, local garden center, and I was able to get it on sale. I was also able to get an apple tree, and so we're going to put both of them, the apple and the pear, in ground. Here is my new apple tree. I am so excited. I bought yesterday a Asian pear tree, and now I have with it an apple tree. And this is the 3 varieties in one semi-dwarf, height 15 to 18 feet, self-pollinating, August to October. And that is so wonderful. So it's been grafted on. So we have a Gravenstein apple. We have the, red Macintosh apple. And we have the Cortland apple. So those are the 3 apples: Cortland apple, Gravenstein apple, and also the Macintosh. And so this is my little apple tree. It's a little tilted, but I got it on sale, and I'm really excited about putting it into the ground. I believe that I'm going to put it over here. I was thinking of where would be the best place to put the apple tree, but I think I'm going to put it over here with the peach tree, and that way it will get some morning sun here, and then it will get the afternoon sun over here, because the sun moves. And that's going to work out really well. My husband's busy working on a project. That's what you hear. I'm really excited about this project. I'm going to get the pear and the apple, and I'm going to move them over there and plant them today, because it's supposed to rain any time now. So I want to get them in the ground before it gets any later. And this would give them a chance to receive Mother Nature's water. And I'm going to add a little of the Miracle-Gro soil in the bottom to enrich the soil, and let them sit there for the winter. And then next year I will have at least, hopefully, some blooms and maybe some apples. Who knows? Miracles do happen, and I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to a miracle, because it is a miracle that I even discovered my little apple tree. I'm so excited. It's such a wonderful blessing. It's such a wonderful blessing to have this opportunity to put in the apple tree and the pear tree. I already have a peach tree. I'm just looking for the plum tree, and I have 2 fig trees, so it's going to be a great thing. I've dug the hole, and here it is, and I think that it's leveled enough to hold the root ball. And I'm going to now take it out of the plastic, put it in the ground, and I'm also going to amend the soil a little bit with this potting mixture, because it has fertilizer in it, and it will help to feed the roots a little bit, I hope. But I love how it looks here. Yeah, and I don't know if you could see back there, but I put the apple tree. I'm going to put the apple tree back there. Yeah. So I'm going to have I know it might be kind of close, but I'm going to keep them pruned. So I have the Asian pear tree here, the apple tree there, the peach tree, and I'm going to take this fig tree from here and move it to a different location. Now, if I'm going to get all of that done today, I know I'm definitely going to plant the 2 trees today. So let me get with it. It's about to rain and I really am enjoying this process. It does seem like a lot, but it's fun to be able to create this food forest and to dream for the future, knowing that if we plant it, it will grow. And if we desire it and we have it and we love it and we care for it, that it can produce fruit and many more trees to come. Yes. Okay, so let me get busy. Doesn't look real bad. So I finished planting the pear. It's now in the ground. I tried to create a little dip so that I could put the water in and tried to make it really solid. I added some compost. I added some Miracle-Gro as well, and it seems like it came together pretty nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip off these extra shoots that are coming out here and water it, and then work on the next one. So let me get busy. The rain has held off so far, so I'm going to get busy now. Well, I was able to finish digging and planting the apple tree, and the apple tree has 4 types of apple. I missed the Granny Smith, which is beautiful because I love Granny Smith apples. So this is it. It looks like it would make a great espalier tree, where it has that main stalk there and then the side shoots. But we'll see how it goes along, if I can do something different with it. But I'm really pleased with the planting. The soil here was really good, because I saw some mushrooms growing here, a lot of worms. It's much richer than actually the soil over where the pear tree is, and I didn't have to amend it as much, but I did sprinkle a little of the Miracle-Gro potting soil over it and in it, and just try to give it some, a fighting chance of being successful here. Now, I'm very excited about this, and I hope that it will bloom next year and even provide maybe some apples. I know that's asking for a lot, but miracles do happen, and I'm excited about that. So here I am. I'm really thankful because I was actually able to follow through with the food forest, or the idea of a food forest, and having the apple, the pear, the fig tree, and the peach tree here is a really good thing. It's going to create this food forest. Now it's surrounded by trees, but there is this space here where the sun comes in right here, and then we have the trees all around, but we also have this area here too where it'll get a lot of sun. No, it has this tree here, but they're going to do well. And I think these are dwarf. This is a dwarf apple tree, so that it will grow to 15 to 18 inches, but I'm going to prune it back and use the pruning method to keep it contained so that it could reach the apples. Here's my peach tree. Now, so this is the peach tree's like the peach tree's third year in, and I'm just going to let it continue to grow, and then in spring probably do some pruning to it. And here is the fig tree. At first I was going to move the fig tree here, but I think I'm going to leave it, and what I'm going to do to the fig tree is cover it, protect it, and wrap it with stuff, with plastic and leaves and things, and hopefully that will help it. That will help the fig tree to make it and to survive the winter. But I'm really, really happy with this pear tree, and even the colors of the pear tree. The pear tree to me is stellar. Look at those leaves. It's an Asian pear tree. I just love the leaves, and it really goes well with my coleus and my other flowers here. I'm really excited about this. So if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. If you have any advice for me or comments about a food forest and what do you think I should get next, at that particular garden center, they had 2 different types of plum trees. They had the purple and a kind of golden plum, and I'm thinking about going back and getting one of those plum trees. What do you think? You think I should go back and get it? And then they had some blueberries and raspberries, and so I'm really excited about all of this and creating my little food forest corner here and seeing what can come of it, and actually planting the perennials. This is a good investment, and thank you. I thank you for all of the YouTube gardeners who've inspired me to start a food forest. I want to say thank you. Thank you so much, and continue to create your videos so that I can look and see them and be inspired to create my food forest in my garden. It's been a wonderful, wonderful year of gardening and harvesting and just enjoying myself in the garden. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Continue to join me in my journey. Have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye.